Do you always wonder how digital talents get jobs? Do you wonder how best you can market your Web3 startup or your tech startup? Do you often wonder how you can get jobs that are paying in dollars? Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Onyeka Adedayo. I'm a full stack marketer and a community builder. I'm building the largest community for digital skill enthusiasts in Africa. And personally, as a full stack marketer, I've worked across different marketing verticals. So think content, growth, product, brand, community building, events, and even partnerships, right? I have a host of experience, and I have decided to bring all of that action to YouTube. So if you're here, you're pretty early. I hope that you hit the subscribe button. But if you're wondering what you're going to get out of this, let me tell you what you get out of it. First off, you're going to get career tips that would actually help you position well to work with global brands. You're going to get tips on how you can do marketing for your startup or even your company, because I've worked with different kind of businesses over time with different kind of business models. And finally, I'm going to be inviting builders, leaders in the African tech ecosystem to share their insight with us. So you are on for a very great ride. I am big on honesty. I really do not like beating around the bush. I'm very straight to the point and I love to try out new things. This is my first YouTube video. Trust me, I am eager to try this new thing. I know that it's not going to be a smooth ride, but I am here for the drama, the learnings, the mistakes, etc., etc. So if you want to know how things work, I'm going to tell you. If I do something that is really spectacular and works, I'm going to let you in on the secret. And if I do something that doesn't work, I'll tell you why it didn't work. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We're going to be having new videos every single week. And I have a ton of things to talk about. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Bye.